Good morning, Winnes. Happy Wednesday. Wednesday is going to kind of be our little math day. So yesterday you had foundations, Monday you had our Monday morning read aloud, and today we're going to do some math. So in a minute, I'm going to kind of move myself down to the bottom of your screen so that you can see what's behind me. And it kind of looks similar to our calendar math on our Mimeo. So we're going to be using that for our math this week. We are going to be working on some number stories, which you guys have already created. So I'm excited to do these with you. And if you want to get a paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a marker and practice along with me, we'll do a couple practice problems. And then at the end of this, there'll be an activity in Seesaw where you have a couple problems that you can work on and then upload to Seesaw. Okay, so let me move myself to the bottom. And here's our target. I can solve number stories using addition and subtraction. Okay, your number stories, change to more, change to less, part, total, and then comparison, which is our quantity difference. Hopefully we remember all those models. Okay, today we're just going to work on right here, change to more, change to less. Okay, and I want you to think of when we are working on change to more and change to less problems, when we read the number stories, that's the first thing we need to do is read the number story. The second thing we have to do is we need to find what our number story is asking us to do. Okay, we don't know. It could be asking us to add. It could be asking us to subtract. We might not, there might be an unknown there in the middle of that problem that we don't have. Okay, and then we need to look for the clue word so that we can figure out how we know if it's an addition or subtraction problem. And then we want to write the number model, and then we can solve it. Okay, and on my screen, you'll see a little bit of, you'll see a number grid. You may have a number grid at home, so that might help you. But let's get started. Sophia has 8 eggs. She finds 9 more eggs. How many does she have now? So here we go. Let's get started. I'm going to do this first one so you can kind of get the idea. I just read it. Okay, I need to find the question. How many does she have now? That's what this is asking. Okay, clue words. I'm going to go back. She finds 9 more. There's my clue word. More means I'm adding. I don't. Now, she finds 9 more. We know she has 8. She finds 9 more. 8 plus 9 equals. Okay, let's go to the number grid. I'm going to go to 8 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. That's one strategy. My other strategy, I'm going to use making a 10 strategy. Okay, I'm going to take my 9 and I'm going to make it 10. So that means I have to change my 8 to a 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. My unit, eggs. Okay, change to more. Let's move on. Good job. Jimmy made 24 sugar cookies. His brother ate 8 of them. How many are left? Okay, we read it. Next thing we're going to do. Yeah, that's right. We're going to find the question. How many are left? Okay. The next one, we're going to find our clue words. His brother ate. Oh boy. 8 means they're gone. They're in his belly. So we have to have a subtraction problem. And he ate 8 of them. Or they ate 8 of them, I should say. But we know he had 24 to start. What we don't know is how many cookies are left. So here's what we're going to do. Start at 24. And I'm going to count back 8 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 24 minus 8 is 16. He's still got 16 cookies. I think he'll be okay. What do you think? No, maybe a little upset with his brothers. Okay. There's your change to less. Okay, we're going to move on to another one. Make sure you're working with me here. The bunny, we're going to read it. The bunny had 24 eggs when he left his den. He picked up some more eggs at his sister's house. Now he has 36 eggs. How many did he pick up? Okay, so this is a different one. Okay, we got an unknown somewhere else here. He had 24 eggs. He picked some up, and now he has 36. But the first thing, find my question. How many did he pick up? We don't know how many he picked up, but we know that he added, because if you're picking more up, you're adding that, you're getting more. But he has 24 when he left. He picked some up, and now he has 36. We don't know that middle number, and let me just highlight this. Some more. That's our key words. I had to go back there. I'm sorry, I forgot to do that. Shame on me, Miss Schiffler. Let's do this now. Let's go to our number grid. And I'm going to do 24. That's where I want to start, and this is where I want to end. Okay, I'm going to do it one way and then another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we're going to have 24 plus 12. That's kind of hard to tell. I know, I'm sorry. I'll erase it for you. Woo! Okay, sorry about that. Ms. Schiffler kind of struggled there. 24 plus 12 equals 36. And here's another way that we're going to do this. And I want to see if any of you might have done it. Let's try it out. 24 to 36. I'm going to go down 10, 11, 12. So down 10, 11, 12. See how we are there? Okay. Use that number grid. All right, let's try one more problem. And I'm going to kind of move through this one because I want you to do it with me. Owen had some balloons. 7 of them popped. Now he only has 17 balloons. How many did he have to start? Okay, let's find my question. How many did he have to start? He had some balloons. 7 of them popped. Now he only has 17. So let's start off here. He had some. I don't know how many Owen had to start because he had some. 7 popped. If they popped, they're gone. They went away. So I got to make that subtraction. Now he's only got 17 balloons. How many did he have to start? Not only did my problem say Owen had some balloons, so I knew that that was the starting number, which was our unknown, but our question says how many did he have to start? So that word helps us there. Okay, here's how we're going to solve this. Let's go to 17. And since these are on the opposite sides of the equal sign, these two numbers, this means I can do the opposite sign of subtraction, and I'm going to do addition. So I'm going to go to 17 and take 7 away. I'm sorry, I'm going to go to 17 and add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 24 minus 7 equals 17. Let's go back and let's check our math really quick here. Okay, I'm at 24 and I need to get to 17. Let's check our math and see if we're at, if we count 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we are. So see how I checked my work there? I want you guys to do that too. Okay, that is all that I've got for you today. But like I said, there's an activity with a couple of word problems and story problems in there. So I want you to try those out, look for the questions, and work hard. Okay, I look forward to seeing your work.